Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to recover Microsoft Authenticator app in 2025. So, if you lost access to your Microsoft Authenticator app, whether you've switched phones or accidentally deleted the app, don't worry. This guide will show you how to recover your account step by step. So step 1 is reinstalling Microsoft Authenticator. Simply navigate to Play Store or App Store, then search for Microsoft Authenticator, then install Microsoft Corporation's Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile phone. Now open Microsoft Authenticator. Now sign in with your Microsoft account. Now just click on three-dot icon at the top right of the screen and click on Settings. So you'll have to basically cloud backup your Microsoft Authenticator account in order to access your account anywhere and recover it in case it gets lost. So make sure this button is toggled on, and this will back up or recover your Microsoft Authenticator app. So you will be able to recover it through your email address or your credentials whenever you would want. Now if you want to recover your Microsoft Authenticator account on a new device, what you can do is simply install Microsoft Authenticator application and just sign in with that exact same account, and you'll be able to restore your account just like that. So that's a simple way through which you can recover your Microsoft Authenticator application. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.